Good day, everyone. My name is Michael Frentiades. I'm the Chief Economist here at xm.com, and I'm with you today to give you your European Open briefing. What are these key points for Monday, 27th of November? Well, the US dollar stayed weak as the euro tested its 2-month highs against the greenback, right now at 119.50 or thereabouts. What are the euro positive news? German IFO survey was at the record on Friday, and we also have the Grand Coalition talks. Those are possible between the two biggest parties in Germany. The US is coming back from holiday today. It is Cyber Monday today, where the big deals on the internet are supposed to be happening, so quite a lot of competition there. Black Friday was okay for retailers, according to reports. Chinese shares are under some pressure. Maybe it's going to be a risk-off day, so maybe we will have a slight pullback in equities, but nothing dramatic. And we have a big rally in cryptocurrencies with new all-time highs. Turning our attention to the IFO German Business Conference, this was actually released on Friday. We can see that the index has climbed to a new all-time high. The Business Climate Index, that is, at 117.5. This shows very strong upbeat sentiment among German firms. Despite the presence of some political uncertainty, we still don't know what kind of government we are going to get in Germany, if it's going to be a stable government, but we have very strong positive sentiment among German companies. And we also have this optimism in the face of a somewhat strong euro. We have to remember that the euro has been generally strong over the past few years, notwithstanding, of course, the dollar's gains during the past year, but it has been it's at relatively strong levels. And talking about the euro strength, we have it's climbed to its highest since the second half of September. Now, still, I think the 120.91, 121, this marks the 3-year high. That is going to be a formidable barrier for euro-dollar, so we'll have to see whether the rally is going to translate into something bigger, and of course the 120 level. Now, the euro has been helped by news that Chancellor Merkel's CDU-CSU party is could perhaps ally with its previous partner, the Socialists, the SPD. It's not a sure thing because the Socialists have previously said that they are not going to become a partner again with Merkel. Because of this partnership, the SPD had heavy losses in the recent German elections, so we are not sure whether they want to repeat that. Nevertheless, it is a possibility, a new grand coalition between the two parties, so perhaps that is something boosting the euro. Another something else in the news is the continued sell-off in Chinese shares. I say continued, but okay, I mean, it's a 3-day affair. It's not that big a deal yet. We have worries about a crackdown on certain asset management products, some tighter regulations, which could bring some tighter lending conditions, some tighter financing conditions rather. And the CSI composite, the Chinese composite, is around 5% off its high in 3 sessions. Risk appetite in general is not so bad around the world, so we should note that. We have some modest losses for equity indices. And we are still talking about very strong performance in Chinese indices until a few days ago, where they are pulling back a little bit. Now, just because it's a slow day today, we have to look a little bit about the week ahead. What are the highlights? We have the third quarter GDP on Wednesday. We also have Yellen's testimony on the economy on Wednesday. We also have the Powell confirmation hearings, the new Fed head. So there is a lot of action to watch in Congress with respect to querying the current Fed chair and the new prospective Fed president. We also might have some news about taxes with Congress getting back to work, maybe what's going to happen in the Senate. On Thursday, we have Eurozone flash inflation for November. We have the flash Eurozone PMIs on Friday. We also have UK manufacturing PMI. We also have Chinese PMIs Thursday and Friday, the official and the non-official one. And also on Friday, we have the Canadian GDP and the US ISM manufacturing. So I guess what I want you to take note is that Friday is definitely going to be a big day, the biggest day of the week in terms of data. Today we're just having new home sales out of the US, our main focus. We also have some other housing data at the beginning of the week for the US, but otherwise that's all. So, thank you very much for watching and have a great day.